Today in crypto. Everybody loves a crypto bull market, but every green wave inevitably gives way to periods of sideways or downward movement. Skilled traders know that these phases of the market cycle can be rife with profit opportunities, too. Anticipating not only a digital asset's upward price movements, but downturns and corrections can be useful when deciding on when to exit a position and lock in gains, as well helping to add top profits by shorting crypto assets whose prices decline. Doge, meme coin gets overheated. Cody, massive spike, hard come down. Near, a dip or second leg up. Numeraire, red score at a price peak. STX, green before price rises, red before it drops. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. Puerto Rico recently announced that it may be looking for a blockchain solution to fight government corruption, particularly after a Puerto Rican mayor pleaded guilty to accepting a cash bribe of more than $100,000. But could a distributed digital ledger really make an impact in the unincorporated United States territory struggle against public fraud and wrongdoing? Continue reading on Cointelegraph. For the first time in the history of Cuba, the U.S. dollar, USD, has lost value to another currency, living entirely on the internet without an army to back it. Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency has been trading at a premium against the United States currency in cash. Related reading. Businesses and merchants have begun accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment methods. The Cuban citizen that made the viral report on the value of Bitcoin surpassing the US dollar on the island, Enrique Yesier, claimed the following on this historical phenomenon: Cuba seems to be slowly, but surely moving into greater Bitcoin and crypto adoption. Per an AFP report, the national government granted merchants a license to operate with these digital assets back in August. The measures fall into Regulation 215, the report claims, issued by the Central Bank of Cuba. The new rules have been validated since September 15 and are aimed to regulate the use of cryptocurrencies for commercial transactions. The country is still far from occupying a relevant spot in terms of adoption, as noted by Chainalysis in its 2021 report. The top 10 countries with the most Bitcoin and crypto adoption have one thing in common: most are facing a high inflationary economy or a military conflict, as demonstrated by the inclusion of Argentina, Ukraine, Venezuela, Afghanistan, and others. According to Yasser, Bitcoin is not the most valuable digital asset on the tropical island. This position goes to TRX, around $0.081162, which can go for as much as 8 Cuban pesos per token when a fair price should be around 6,15 cup, the Cuban citizen said. Apparently, a lot of Cubans begin their crypto journey on the Tron ecosystem, thus the premium. Related reading. Bitcoin bearish signal. Hash rate drops over 20% in last 24 hours as of press time. Bitcoin, BTC, trades at $46,797 with sideways movement in the past 24 hours. Yearn Finance, YFI, emerged as one of the best performers in the crypto market this week, rallying by over 46% in just 4 days to reach a 2-week high above $29,100. The gains surfaced primarily as Yearn Finance revealed it has been buying back FI en masse since November in response to a community vote to improve the FI token's economics. The decentralized asset management platform purchased 282,40 FI at an average price of $26,651 per token, a total of over $7,50 million. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. The future seems bright for crypto in 2022. ADA, WRX, Link, SOL, CHZ, XLM, and XMR are the cryptos investors need to check out in 2022. Undoubtedly, cryptocurrencies witnessed significant growth this year. Digital assets are acquiring mainstream exposure and the crypto space keeps on getting bigger. With Bitcoin, BTC, gaining around $40,000 this year and Shiba Inu, SHIB, making headlines as meme coins, the crypto world always has its hands full. That said, more and more people are now investing in cryptocurrencies as they see it as the future of money. Likewise, investors are seeking out coins to buy for an even busier 2022. To make things easier, Here is a list of the top 7 best cryptos that will likely make people rich in the coming year. But bear in mind that as cryptocurrencies are volatile, things can change in the blink of an eye. 1. Cardano, ADA. Cardano, built by the co-founder of Ethereum, ETH, is a jurisdiction-less blockchain. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.